Morning, Keith.
Morning.
What's going on here then, mate?
I'm just trying to get some bits off this VW.
This one in for a bit of work?
Orange.
It's going up fully orange.
Fully orange.
The whole shebang?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why I've been asked to order some mouldings then, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, so the full shebang.
Will be orange and shiny.
Yeah. Yeah, what orange is it going, do you know?
It was going to be Focus ST Electric Orange.
Yeah.
But we've had a little rethink on that. I think it's going to be some kind of BMW Mini orange.
Well, like a burnt orange?
Yeah.
Well, I know a bit of paint that's got that on it.
Yeah.
That's Richard's EG Civic engine, isn't it?
That might be where the inspiration has come from.
Fantastic. Okay, well, I'll let you crack on. I'm just having a walk around, Keith. Certainly some work to do here, mate. How you feeling?
Bit of a job, isn't it?
Bit of a job.
The arms are hurting.
Are they? Good man. Quite a bit more work to do before you get to painting, isn't there?
Yeah,
A lot of prep. We'll
get
get
there.
Keith.
Use some equipment
Yeah, pallet. You stand on a pallet to mask up. I like it.
so I can reach the roof.
So where have we got to now? I've seen that you've flattened it down and things, but where are we up to?
We've done repairs, we've flattened it down, we've got rid of this horrible line here because it had a yellow band of colour around here.
Sure.
And another sort of different yellowy orange
Yeah.
band come through the door through here. So we've had to block that and get try and get that gone. A few dents here and there. So now we're going to try and get it all uniform, all one colour. We're going to high build primer.
High build primer next then, Keith. Very good. Very good indeed. It looks interesting like this because you can see all the little bits of repairs that you've done. And you know, at the end, when it's beautiful and immaculate, people just think it's magic. But it's had some work go into it to get it to where it needs to be before you do anything.
Every one of these is a time spent.
Yeah, some time there, some time there, some time there, some time there, some time there. Yeah, man. It's I like this. Well, I like this part of it though, Keith, because I can see it in different stages.
Yeah.
I've dropped cars off to body shops before, and I've said, "There you go," and they've given it me back, and I'm like, "Yep." But I've not seen the hard work that's gone into actually transforming something that needed transformation. But yeah, fantastic.
This is only made harder by the different bands of colour that are on it.
Yeah.
Most wouldn't be that in depth. But
Yeah.
We can't go ahead and paint it, and then you still see where there was a
That's right. Yeah.
different band of colour.
Well, thanks, Keith. I'll check on you in a bit.
That won't be good.
Cheers, mate. You spent a lot of time on this. I mean, I know I've had a busy week, but you've been busy.
All week, mate.
All week.
All week.
Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not confident.
It was a long day yesterday getting the orange on.
I bet it was.
The customer wanted orange.
And that's what they've got.
Yeah, hot orange.
Hot.
BMW Mini hot orange.
Is it? That was called BMW Mini Hot Orange. Well, it certainly is that. And it is hot in here as well. So yeah, I'm sweating. So I can see that you've got some panels off and you've been painting them, etc. Is the plan to put these panels back on today?
We're going to hang the panels back on. There's still a few bits to paint. Colour coding bumpers, handles, door handles, door mouldings.
Yeah.
But as you can see, we ran out of room, so we couldn't put all them bits in at the same time.
It's looking very orange, mate. Very orange. There's a lot of work gone into this, because I know that you were busy at the start of the week.
It started Monday morning.
Yeah.
It's now Saturday.
It is Saturday, yeah.
I haven't stopped on this van all week.
Yeah, we've had a busy week in the workshop. Very eventful week at the workshop, and it's so I'm sort of checking back in, thinking there'll be a bit of progress, and there certainly is, mate. There certainly is. What a colour!
Come back in a few hours.
Come back in a few hours, and it'll be bolted together, will it?
Hopefully it'll be sort of complete, not complete.
Yeah, and then finishing touches, is it?
Yeah.
A bit. What's that then?
A bit of flattening and polishing.
Yeah.
Like I said, I've got to colour code the handles, put the handles back in. We've got new door mouldings to colour code.
Yeah.
And we're colour coding the factory
bumpers.
Textured bumpers.
Yeah.
Which is a bit of a job.
Is it?
On its own, because you got to get rid of the grain.
Oh, right, okay.
Texture, which is a bit of a long process.
Long process, but I'm sure it's fantastic.
It will look beautiful.
Yeah, well, it already looks stunning. The transformation is already unreal. But yeah, fantastic. Right, we'll check back in with you in a bit, Keith. I'm going to try and make a video without walking into something and knocking it over. How's about that? So these are the bumpers for the Caddy, which is outside, and also some bits of trim and mouldings. These were brand new from TPS, so they were expensive. Everything from TPS is expensive, ain't it, Rich?
Yeah.
How are you, mate? You also you doing the same? You doing the same thing as me? Do we just walk around taking photographs and stuff?
Not the same as you. Well, maybe if what you were just doing is taking pictures, yes. Sorry, yeah, I wasn't.
It looks beautiful. Should we go speak to our Keith? They do look really nice. Let's go find him. Here he is. What are you doing, mate?
I'm going to flatten a polish.
Flatten a polish. Fantastic. You reckon? Yeah. You reckon this will all go back together tomorrow?
Yeah.
Should hope so.
Finish tomorrow.
Finish tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
All the bits, polish, flatten polish, done. Outside.
I like you all, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, it's going to look lovely. So we'll get the end product tomorrow then. Yeah, I know, mate. I know. I've been having a little cry about that today. Yeah, so we'll get the finished product tomorrow then, will we?
Yeah, done, finished, outside.
That'll be the end of another amazing Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video.
Tyres gelled.
Oh, tyres gelled.
Wheels and windows clean.
Number plates on. Wheels and windows clean. That's a nice service. Well done. Well done. Just watching him work, Rich.
Mm.
He's
I'd like to see someone else work.
He's doing a good job.
Can we go home?
No. You stay till the job is done. Well, our Keith, the rain has just stopped. It's just stopped, and I know you've been in there polishing and cleaning all afternoon. The rain's just stopped. So, how do you feel about it? It does look lovely, doesn't it, mate? It does look absolutely lovely.
It's very orange.
It is. So, remind me, we did the whole van, we did the bumpers.
We've done bumpers, mouldings, handles.
Yeah, so we colour coded. You also colour coded these bits, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did you colour code the handles?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
beautiful.
Black texture.
Well, it'd be nice if the sun was out, but like I say, it's just stopped raining, so it's the customer's about to collect her. So I wanted to just finish this video off. There's our Richard. Don't know where he's going, but yeah, it looks $1 million, mate. $1 million.
Transform the van.
Absolutely transformed it. And do you know what? I think if the sun was out, it'd be really nice. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to particularly request, another happy customer, we're going to particularly request that they come back on a nice sunny day and we'll have a look
Like
at
it was last Saturday.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Beautiful, gorgeous.
You can
Yeah.
see exactly how it looked.
Yeah, but she looks mint, mate. Absolutely mint.
Need a little before and after
Yeah.
picture, I think, at the end.
At the end, the before and an after.
Yeah.
Look at it.
See where it's...
It looks brand new, Keith. Absolutely looks brand new. I hope you're proud of yourself, buddy, because I know you've put some effort into that.
It took a while.
It has took a while, you're right.